Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm the Global Education Manager here at Alpha H. At Alpha H, we are acid-packed, science-backed skincare from Australia. We are female-founded, cruelty-free, and sustainably conscious, providing clinical skincare for all skin types and concerns. Our brand came to be through our founder Michelle's own struggles with her skin. Tiring of Band-Aid solutions, she discovered the overnight magic of glycolic acid. In the early 90s, innovating one of the most revolutionary at-home peels of its time. Today, we offer a whole range of treatments for everybody. So let's talk about some of our favorites. First up is our Liquid Gold Exfoliating Treatment. Tried and true over decades and clinically studied and proven to work, it resurfaces the skin overnight while you sleep, incorporating 5% glycolic acid, licorice root extract, and silk proteins. This helps lift dead skin, bring up a brighter, more even tone complexion, helps with hyperpigmentation, lines, wrinkles, and texture. Great overnight treatment. Next, we have our Liquid Gold Midnight Reboot Serum. This is the first of its kind patented formula of 14% glycolic acid and 1% gram-active retinoid. This is a new type of retinoid that causes less irritation and downtime for some clients that might have problems with vitamin A overall. A great product to work in tandem with exfoliation and bringing new skin to the surface. Perfect for mature skin, skin that's seeing more lines and wrinkles, and looking for an extra punch. And we cannot forget the eyes. When we exfoliate, we always avoid the delicate eye area, as we should. But we don't want to forget that area and resurfacing it and firming it and bringing newer cells to the surface. So we've developed our firming eye cream, which is made with precious fruit acids, which very, very, very gently exfoliate the eye area, filling in those lines and wrinkles, pumping and firming the skin, brightening dark circles, and you're going to love this cooling applicator for puffiness. It's great for 360 all around the eye, even down to the lash line. Last but not least, as an acid-packed brand, we have to be mindful about hydrating, protecting, and adding nutrients back into the skin. We have a beautiful wardrobe of serums, including our favorites, vitamin B and C. Our vitamin B is the perfect all-over hydrating and protective serum, helping fortify the barrier, controlling oil production, so it's great even for oily or combination skin, including chia seed, and you know what happens when you put chia seeds in the fridge, so plumping, hydration, and all over fortifying protection for your skin barrier. And favorite in the skin world, vitamin C. Who doesn't love a vitamin C? Our vitamin C serum contains 10% ethyl ascorbic acid. That's a more stable C. This is great to work in tandem under your favorite sunscreen to help with UV radiation, hydration, and pollution throughout the day. I hope we've been able to help you find some of your new favorites. As always, you can find us on lovelyskin.com. Like and subscribe for more videos just like these.